If your business is not yet registered or you have only just submitted your trademark application, the registered trademark or temporary mark symbol you place beside your logo matters immensely. Misunderstanding the difference between TM and trademark won't just leave your brand exposed, it can trigger severe legal penalties for your company before you even get off the ground. Here is the reality. You put a trademark on your brand, and so can anyone else. A TM symbol is simply an unregistered claim, a public statement saying, "I consider this my brand." However, without a registered trademark, you do not hold exclusive legal ownership, and neither business can push the other out. A trademark symbol gives you the exclusive right to use your brand name and sue for infringement. It secures total legal ownership, empowering you to protect your market and shut down copycats instantly. Using trademark before registration is complete can trigger civil penalties of up to 5 lakh rupees under Section 107. Stick to trademark while your application is pending and use registered trademark only once registration is granted. Protect your business before you file. Setindiabiz handles your complete journey from trademark search to final registration. Start with a free instant preliminary search at setindiabiz.com before you submit a single document.